welcome to Rugby. This is my second film that I'm going to be speaking in. There's the little sign for Rugby. About to come in now is the slightly delayed 11:15 Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham New Street, formed of an 805 Avero. It is 11:18, so it's 3 minutes late at this moment in time. This is 805 008. With a Pendolino passing through.
Platform 4.
The only thing you're gonna get from that is it's 391.25. Yeah, I have no idea where that's going to and from. I mean, if you think about it, it's probably going, I don't know, probably London Euston? I have no clue. But about to go now is 805 008 with the, oh hello, look! 66, Light Loco 66. Looks like it's a DRS 66. Yeah, you're not going to get anything from that. But yeah, about to pass, no. About to leave now is 805 008 with the late running 11:15 Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham New Street. It is 5 minutes late. It's really awkward filming here because the sun is glaring at my camera. When I turn around, it's perfectly fine. Very nice.
Problem 1104 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street. Calling at Coventry, Canley, Tile Hill, Berkswell, Hampton in Arden, Birmingham International and Birmingham New Street. This train is formed of 8 coaches.
Yeah, coming in now is a very late running 11:04. Service to Birmingham New Street. It is,
The train now approaching platform 4 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 4.
well yeah, it's late, very late, like 15 minutes. And that comes in. We've got a Pendolino passing through on platform 4.
34 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street has been cancelled. This is due to a problem currently under investigation.
Yeah, you're not going to get anything from that. No idea what the numbers are. About to depart now is a really late running 11:04 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street, formed of 35404 and one of her friends. And on the rear is 350 375. About to pass by now, we'll have a Pendolino going from London Euston to Edinburgh. Got double yellows. What's working this? It's London Euston to Edinburgh. Never mind, that is not London Euston to Edinburgh. I know what's working London Euston to Edinburgh, and it's not that. Right, the Pendolino that came through was a London Euston to Manchester No. London Euston to Glasgow Central service. We got a 350 arriving, well, double 350 obviously, over there, look. Whee! Oh, okay, this, I believe, will be London Euston to Edinburgh. Hopefully. Because otherwise it'll, yeah, I don't know what it would be. If it's not London Euston to Edinburgh, I will tell you, like, in a bit. Yeah, there's 350 there, and we've got a 390 coming through here. No, again, that was not the London Euston to Edinburgh service. That's 390-039 doing a service of some sort, going from London Euston to somewhere mystical and magical. I will let you know in a minute. What? Wet weather? Are you sure? Well, anyway, going now is a service to London Euston. Well, London North Western Railway to London Euston. And that 390-039 was doing a London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly that came through 9 minutes late. That 66 has been sat there for a bit. I don't know what it's doing, but you know, hey ho. Right, okay, we've got a Pendolino coming around the corner now. Let's hope this is London to Edinburgh, because if it's not, yeah, I'll do what it has done in the last oopsies. Oh, it's 391-19. That was the London to Edinburgh service, 391-19. I sat in her cab at the Greatest Gathering. There she goes round the corner. About to arrive in now will be the 11:34 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston, calling out Milton Keynes Central and London Euston, formed of an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino. $391.26. About to depart now is the 11:34 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. There you go, look. 39126. Next calling point for that one will be Milton Keynes Central. About to pass by now, we will have a Pendolino going from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Formed as 39141.
Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or destroyed or damaged by the security services.
Coming in now and passing through at just about the same time, we'll have a London North Western Railway Class 350 going to... There you go, going to London Euston. And we'll have a Pendolino coming through 18 minutes late from Glasgow Central to London Euston. 35122. Formed as 39840. There you go. Okay, I believe 35122 is about to leave with... I did not get the number of this 350 on the rear, but we will get it when she leaves. But yeah, I believe they're about to go. On the 11:45 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. Yes, I believe it is about to go. Or not. Now it's going. Leaving 1 minute late. .35108 on the rear. Yeah, I have no idea what service this is doing. That's all you're going to really get from me. Maybe if I get the number, but it is a Pendolino. .39013. That's all you're going to get from me. Passing through on platform 2, we have a freight service. Don't know what it's doing. Oh well. Oh, look over there! Yeah, you're not going to get anything from me for those. At all, nothing. Passing through now, 18 minutes late, we have an 805 Vero. I think it's an 805 Vero, but it's going from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street.
London North Western Railway service to Birmingham.
805, you're not going to get any of the numbers. But coming in over here, it's 39135, going to London. No, yeah. Wait, what? No. Would it be London Euston? I mean, it's calling it Milton Keynes Central, Watford Junction. So yeah, it would be London Euston. I honestly should know, because I was driving a Pendolino the other day on Train Sim Classic from London Euston up to Birmingham, but I got bored, so I didn't finish the route. And I called it Watford Junction. So honestly, I should know this. But to pass by now will be double 805 Vero from Lando Junction to London Euston, 10 minutes late. Yeah, you're not going to get anything apart in any of the numbers, but thanks for the little tone from the driver there, thank you very much. The only thing you'll get is it's double 805 Vero. This just crept up on me. Formed us double 730, 730, 225 and 730, 208. I was just minding my business over here looking at this thing, this beautiful thing, and that thing just creeped up on me. Oh, and it looks like the freight that has been sitting over there for ages is now leaving, which is cool. But yeah, those 730s just crept up on me. Not very nice, was it? Anyway, there goes this Avanti West Coast Pendolino to London Euston. Next calling point for this one will be Birmingham. No, what? No, it will not. It'll be Milton Keynes Central. $391.35.
This will be your second service.
Very nice. This just caught up to me. You're not going to get anything from to that one from me. That just creeped up on me. Not caught up to me, crept up on me. Coming in now quite late will be the 11:42 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham, I believe. No, Crewe, sorry. Crewe, yes, Crewe.
This is also another platform alteration. Any passengers awaiting for the 11:47 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly? This will now depart from platform number 1. This train will be calling at Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport and...
Off goes to 7:30. Bringing this in will be 350-263.
Platform number 1.
Yeah, so this London North Western Railway service and the Avanti West Coast service have been swapped platforms. They've swapped platforms. So yeah, let's put some confusion around for people. About to depart now. 26 minutes late will be the 11. No, what? No, it's not. Yeah, 11:42. London North Western Railway service to Crewe. Three 263 and 35259. And coming in on platform 1 we have 39117 with the late 11:47 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. About to pass by now is an 8:05. No, I mean 8:07, and I should know the number on that one, and I don't. That's gonna bug me. Let me find that out for you. Well, going now, we have the Manchester Piccadilly service. It's 22 minutes late. $391.17.
You are reminded to stand behind the yellow line.
That 8:07 was 8:07.010. Cool.
Passengers on platform 1, please stand clear.
About to pass by now will be 66, going from Daventry DRS Tesco to Doncaster Airport. 66.424. Oh, it smells amazing. About to pass by on the down fast line, we have an 8:05 Avero going from London Euston to Chester. $805.006 London Euston to Chester service. Passing through now, we have an Avanti West Coast Pendlina going from London to Liverpool. No numbers for that one. Oh, hang on. What do I see over here? What do I have a look over here? What do I see? A 66. I'm just gonna walk. I don't know what aspect it has. It may have a red because it's stopping. Hey, I'm winning, and I'm walking. 66.792. Oh, it's going.
step clear is left for passengers. Please stand clear on platform number 2 behind the
I'm going to number 2, guys. I'm going for platform number 2. Got another freight service coming through. I don't know what this is doing. Thank you very much from driver 6644, I believe it was 666. Well, 6644. That just crept up on me. I didn't know that was coming through. That was a 3. I believe that's 390.039. That was. Passing to another Pendolino. 22 minutes late. London to Manchester, I believe. 200.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 12:15.
No idea what that was doing. Sorry. Coming in now, we have the delayed 12:15 Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham New Street. Oh, and also we have a 3:50 coming in. That's cool. $807,009. Know where you're going to get the numbers for that. Leaving now, 13 minutes late is the delayed 12:15 Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham New Street. 807,009. Lovely. Yeah, I have no idea what that Pendolino on platform 4 was doing, but I forgot to say thanks for the amazing two-tone there. And here we have another Pendolino going from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. Formed of 39122. Round the corner she goes.
Sorry that the 12:42 London North Western Railway service to Crewe is delayed by approximately 14 minutes. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Here we have some 350s. I believe it's the late running 12:27 service to London Euston. Sorry, my hands are really cold. It is quite cold out here today. It's really cold. Yeah, I do believe it's the late 1227 London North Western Railway service to Crewe. London Euston.
Next up, we start with platform number 3, will be the 12:13 for Atlantic West Coast service to London Euston. Designated Central London Euston. Trains from
Formed of 350, 124 and 350, 120. Lovely jubbly. About to arrive now will be the 12:34 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly.
12:46 London North Western Railway service to London Euston is delayed by approximately 15 minutes. We apologise for this late running.
You know, I think the West Coast Main Line is my second favourite main line in the UK. Can't really say much because I haven't been trains. But thank you very much. Cheers, mate.
12:42 London North Western Railway service to Crewe, delayed by approximately 17 minutes. We apologise.
Thank you very much. The driver of 39131. Yeah, I do believe the West Coast Main Line is my second favourite main line in the whole entire UK. Pendolino, City of Liverpool. About to depart now will be the late running 12:34 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. It is 4 minutes late. Two 9131.